even see me. This fucking light is so annoying me. Trying to sort lighting out on this shit is like the worst thing ever. Anyway, welcome back to another video. Today we've got an unboxing. I believe it was week 15 for the items. We've got the denim Chore trucker jacket. I keep saying that wrong actually. Denim Chore trucker jacket, which is the all-over print for Supreme, which I think is really nice, by the way. As well as that, we've also got the script shorts, which I also think are really nice because of how nice they are for the price, considering we only paid like less than 100 quid for them. I only got one colorway, unfortunately. I only got the blue one, but I do think that colorway is actually really nice. So obviously the black and the white ones are probably more in demand because they're more easier to wear. But the navy ones with the orange, I think they're pretty nice. So yeah, let's go take a look at them and let's see what we got. Before we do anything, guys want to check out the channel, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. More videos going to be coming in the future. Let us keep going. Hopefully you guys can hit me because this is really hard to fucking navigate all this shit. I'm going to start off with an item from like 2 weeks before because I totally forgot to show you this. I believe it was a week before. This is the Supreme Jacquard t-shirt, which is inspired by the ashtray. Basically, it's an ashtray design over a t-shirt. I gotta say that it's very thin. The way they've actually packaged it, it's not like one of those regular bags with Supreme on it. It's just a simple pluggy bag. And now, as you can see, it's like starting to like collapse on itself. So that's not try and fix that in the future. But yeah, this is a really nice t-shirt. It's very thin. Definitely something for the summer. So if you guys are actually interested in it, and be on my eBay. So yeah, but yeah, we got that. This is a size large, by the way. We have got the denim Chore trucker jackets. I must say, I'm not really too much of a fan of this lighting. It's pissing me off. I'm not really too much of a fan of the pinstripe. I do like the Supreme all over print. I remember they did one like before. I think it was like 2 seasons ago where it was like frayed. I'm surprised that one didn't do as well as, you know, the hype of Supremes this year. But yeah, we got the denim Chore trucker jacket. This is size large. Kind of surprised I actually managed to hit one because in America, you guys, it evaporated within like a second, apparently. Item that we got in the unboxing, we hit 4 items this week, which is really good considering with my slow internet connection from the live cop. We got the big script shorts. Now I gotta say, these are very nice. They're quite big as well, so these are a medium. I believe even I could probably fit in a medium, not gonna lie, because they are quite big. They're quite wide, they're quite long as well. So if you are a small person, I'd probably like go for small, especially on the waist side, because I don't know how the waist is on these. I believe like if you was wearing like an XL, you could probably get away with wearing a large. And if you're a large, you could probably get away with wearing a medium. So they're very big as well. So yeah, if you are interested, let me know. That's it for this video. I really didn't have really much to show for the unboxing, but maybe I should wait until it all comes together and then just unbox like a massive weeks or something. I don't know, but most of the time most of the stuff gets sold relatively quick. But that's it for this video. Leave a like, do all that cool stuff, subscribe if you want to see more content. I'm going to be doing some more different types of content in the future. You're going to see some like vlog style types of content in the future. Hopefully there might be some travel stuff. I'm thinking about doing travel stuff, as well as that my editing style might be changing up a bit as well, because I want to try and get into like cool edits and like just getting better as an editor in person, because I want to like try and make like a freelancing job as an editor, which I think is definitely possible. So yeah, I'm learning a lot more into editing, color grading, etc. Especially you've seen some of the previous videos of my intros. I'm trying to create like an intro just to make it pop out, stand out a bit. But yeah, most of it I've been trying to do like short style content with cool editing and stuff, just because obviously short form content is definitely the big up at the moment, but obviously long form content definitely does really well as well. So yeah, I need to get my act together. So yeah, we need to do some stuff. Anyway, I'm rambling like I always do when it comes to these videos and how my brain works. But yeah, stay tuned for another video. I'm definitely doing another video very soon for the Futuras. The investment video should be coming out sometime next week. Oh, and we also got Ducati Supreme is dropping next week, so that is going to be hyped as hell. Similar hype to the Miz and Marshall, perhaps. Who knows? But yeah, the jerseys are pretty cool. The motorbikes, just I'm not buying a motorbike for that. And the helmet is also really cool, depending on the price. It really depends on how limited a lot of this stuff is, but I'm definitely going to go all out on Ducati. I think it's definitely going to be good. Stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for the drop, or the first look, should we say, for Supreme Ducati. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.